Personal and emotional struggles are often quite difficult for anyone to try and manage throughout their lives. Many people find that their specific challenges are highly disruptive and lead to difficulties in being able to make safe and healthy decisions for achieving goals and being healthy in a general sense. When making a therapist's Sarasota decision, people are offered an opportunity to make sure their personal challenges are successfully uncovered and resolved as a result of their sessions. Therapists provide the professional oversight that people need to ensure their personal challenges are uncovered and successfully worked through. People are usually interested in this form of professional attention when trying to work through their personal difficulties individually and have had little success on their own. The decisions made from all possible solutions can be quite difficult to make on various levels. Anyone in Sarasota that is focused on this particular need has a multitude of professionals to sort through. Many people are not very clear about what facets of consideration are the most helpful to focus in on when trying to assure their guidance needs are being fully met. Making a great choice is usually made possible when various factors are specifically focused in on. An initial facet of consideration in this process is making sure that any particular issues one is facing are able to be focused on by the professional. Many people learn that providers in this field are specifically trained in dealing with various kinds of trauma as part of their specialties, which can be limiting when not matched in an appropriate manner. The kinds of guidance offered from professionals are usually marketed and able to be reviewed prior to making a selection. Physician referrals are also quite helpful for people to concentrate on when available. Discussing any issues one may be having with the primary care doctor that is utilized is helpful in being able to gain a clearer picture on what steps should be taken for full resolution. Professionals are usually well connected within their communities and able to recommend therapists for their patients. Therapy settings that are managed by the professional should also receive consideration. The settings maintained by the professional are a major factor, as people are required to be comfortable with their surroundings in order to discuss issues and work through them. People usually discover that the most comfortable settings are the most helpful in allowing them the ability to resolve their challenges. Added support is an additional facet of consideration when making this particular decision. The additional support options that are often provided to patients are some of the most helpful in allowing people to resolve their difficulties and enjoy increased success with their sessions. Access to local groups and the offering of helpful literature creates a more productive environment for improvement. When making a therapist's Sarasota decision, people are additionally focused on pricing. The rates typically charged by professionals are usually per session can be difficult to try and afford under any kind of difficulties one may be facing. Paying for each session should be based on the most affordable rates for the most inclusive guidance is helpful in creating the best value to patients.